Hey y'all, it's Cash, and I'm going to show you how to make this AI avatar picture using Canva AI. Let's go, the Canva homepage. All right, here we are at the homepage. Then we're going to click Canva AI. Wait for that to pull up. And this is the area where you type the prompt. I'm going to copy and paste it. And you guys can use this prompt. And then you'll click image. You guys can copy and paste this prompt. Okay, here you'll see the aspect ratios. For this video, I'm using 1:1. You can choose whichever you like. They also have an option for styles, and you can also play along with the play with these different styles. But we're just gonna use none for now, and then you click submit, and it'll generate four pictures like this. And your pictures are not going to look exactly like this, obviously, but this is the prompt that I use to create these pictures. You can use them for whatever projects you like. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions or any other videos involving business or AI, just let me know in the comments, and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you soon.